Most businesses don't actually have a lead problem. They have a connection problem. Because let's be honest, cold emails get ignored. Text messages are starting to feel very generic, and most leads never even show up. But what if your follow-up felt more like a real conversation instead of just more marketing? That's exactly why this caught my attention. I recently started using a platform called Pxch, and honestly, it feels like Zoom and interactive sales tools all merged together into one experience. But here's what makes it different. Here's the easiest way I can explain it. Pxch feels like Zoom but on steroids, except that your lead doesn't need to download anything, doesn't need to schedule a meeting or wait around. They can interact with your presentation immediately as you're talking to them. That's a massive shift because most businesses lose leads in the gap between interest and action. And using Pxch can help close that gap. You appear on the screen, you're speaking directly to them, and you're guiding them step by step on what to do next. That instantly feels more personal, doesn't it? More engaging. And most importantly, more trustworthy. You can create an interactive AI-powered sales experience just like this one. Hey, quick question. Would you respond if I sent you a message like this instead of a boring email? Because this isn't a video, you can actually interact with me right here. This is how businesses are turning cold leads into real conversations without chasing people. Instead of just reading an email, you can now turn it into an interactive experience. They can see you, hear you, and take action immediately. Take a look now. You'll see my website come up. Go ahead and scroll through. It's interactive, which also means you can encourage new leads to click on a particular section of your live website, book a call in your calendar, fill in a form, or make a purchase while you're still talking. Imagine how much higher your conversion rate will be using this same technology. You probably have some questions. So now, here's my calendar. Go ahead and schedule a call right now. All from one screen, right there and then, at the moment. This matters because attention spans today are collapsing. They're getting shorter. And people don't want long text emails. They don't want complicated funnels. What do they want? They want fast, engaging experiences. And using Pxch, you can deliver exactly that. Here are a few things you can do with it. You can create AI-powered presentations. You can embed your calendars directly into the experiences so that they can book. You can add websites or forms and payment links into a library so that it's available for you right then and there. You can guide prospects through offers visually. You can create interactive lead follow-up experiences and build sales presentations that actually engage your audience. And the cool part? You can use this for your lead generation, client onboarding, proposals, customer support, appointment booking, and even recruiting. Honestly, this is huge for real estate agents who struggle to get buyers and sellers to engage with them, contractors and consultants, basically anyone struggling to turn attention into conversations. Look, the businesses that win over the next few years won't just automate anymore, They'll create better experiences, and I really think interactive AI communication is where things are headed. If you want to see how Pxch works for yourself, check out the link below. Because once you see what this thing can do, traditional follow-up starts to feel very outdated. So don't wait. Be the first to grab this technology and start using it and watch your conversions skyrocket. Don't forget to like and share for more AI technology and strategy.